Hi, this is Keshav. I'm a Python trainer here. And we have a student, she got placed recently. She'll share some experience.
Yeah, my name is SOUWMYASHREE and I joined in the month of July, and I started with the manual, and after that after completing of manual I joined to the Python and still ongoing with the Python, and have completed even SQL also. And I'm from basically Gulbarga, where I've completed my bachelor's in computer science in SOUWMYASHREE University with overall CGPA 9.25. And here I have took all of the knowledges from other subjects like manual, Python, and I got a very good technical knowledge. Through that I cracked my interview. I have basically 2 rounds of interview. First was technical, another one is second, also the technical one. Basically they have asked about manual questions. After that, boot camps will be very helpful because of we can implement our communication skills. Through that, easily we can crack any of the interviews.